Hello everyone, welcome to Fantastico channel. Today I'm really happy to be here again and I'm really grateful to all of you for all your love and support to my last video. That's why I'm here again to provide you some more knowledgeable stuff so that you cannot miss any opportunity that come your way and you can grow in your life. So without wasting more time, let's start this video. So today we will discuss about affiliate marketing. Before we understand what actually affiliate marketing is, I want to tell you the reason why I choose this topic. First, affiliate marketing is booming right now. That's why at least you should have knowledge about it. Second, high earning opportunity. People are earning lots of money just by doing this affiliate marketing. So if you want to create more and more money for yourself, it is a great opportunity for you. Third, all the big companies are shifting towards affiliate marketing to increase their sales revenue. That's why you should know how it is beneficial for you, how you can get benefit from it. Fourth, affiliate marketing have high scope in future as well. That's why I choose this topic. So now let's understand what actually affiliate marketing is. So basically there are three parties involved in affiliate marketing. First one is merchant who produces the product. Second one is affiliate who promotes the product. And third one is customer who purchases or consume our product. So basically in affiliate marketing, you have to promote a product of others company. And if someone purchases from you, you will get commission on that. This is called affiliate marketing. इसमें आपका जो एफिलिएट कमीशन होता है वो 0.2% से लेकर 70 to 80% तक का होता है. Most of the time it high on digital products. So your affiliate commission is completely depend on what product you are promoting. And one thing I want to suggest you, if you're going to join any affiliate program or you want to promote any product, just keep one thing in mind, that you are promoting that product about which you have complete knowledge, you already used it, and you have trust that yes, this product can definitely help your audience. Because promoting a right product is also very important. ये इससे आपकी ऑडियंस का आपके ऊपर ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होगा और ये आप एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग बिजनेस में ग्रो करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. सो ऑलवेज चूज योर प्रोडक्ट वाइजली. नाउ लेट्स मूव अहेड एंड डिस्कस द टाइप्स ऑफ वेज टू अर्न थ्रू एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग. फर्स्ट इज पे पर क्लिक. In that, when you register yourself as an affiliate, the company will provide you a link. And what you need to do is, you just need to influence your audience to click on that link and you will get paid for it. Now you can imagine how amazing is this, that you will get paid for every click while sitting at your home.